Otumfuo and I first met when I came to Kumasi. I was tasked with giving the vote of thanks for the inauguration of the first branch of EcoBank in Kumasi. He tells me that he was mesmerized, that at the end of the ceremony, even though it had started to rain, he refused to leave, despite the prompting of his courtiers.
Hello, hi, Xposed G. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, me too, man. Nasambe, onsa, akekekekabia, come on. Behind every successful man, there is a woman, a very strong woman, passionate, and very, very intelligent woman. Aye. Big up Otumfuo, I'm Otumfuo Michiao, assassin near my Michiao, Pacho Michiao pa. Oba body nechidom, your friend Lady Julia. For a long time, me team mami we no kasada. Na ene Lady Julia chine how he met His Highness, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo.
Dearest, I congratulate you on all your exemplary achievements. To say I'm proud of you would be an understatement. Otumfuo and I first met when I came to Kumasi as the Legal and Corporate Affairs Officer of EcoBank, Ghana. I was tasked with giving the vote of thanks for the inauguration of the first branch of EcoBank in Kumasi. He tells me that he was mesmerized. That at the end of the ceremony, even though it had started to rain, he refused to leave, despite the prompting of his courtiers. He made sure he found out who I was and how to get in touch with me before leaving the event grounds. That evening, I was summoned by my managing director, the late Jonaka, to dinner at Otumfuo's residence. Little did I know that I was auditioning for the role of a lifetime. And here we are, 22 wonderful years later, and many beautiful children, grandchildren, nieces, nephews, and an amazing extended family, including Nananum and Nanahimanum. Sweets. These years together have been truly exceptional, and I continue to pinch myself daily to remind myself that this is not a dream, but indeed the wonderful life you promised me when we first met. You have exceeded my expectations, and I pray that the good Lord blesses you with many more years to continue your reign and to be the amazing father, husband, grandfather, and patriarch that you are to us all. Each and every one of you here has a relationship with Otumfuo, And that in itself is a testament that he is a king to us all, a father to many of you, a brother to some of you, and his ability to make time for each and every one of us here is one of the traits that I love about him the most. Otumfo, my love, I promise to continue to be your backbone, to stand with you in good times and in difficult times. I reaffirm the vow that I made to you when we first married, that I will be your peace and your sanctuary. And I promise that the next 25 years will be filled with the goodness and love we have shared thus far. I pray the good Lord bless you, magnify you, and may he continue to provide you with the discerning wisdom with which you have ruled Asanteman.
I ochese yo shia no. Ose ewiase. Meshia me for party. You see, mommy can be bitro. Bema bianim, the woman that he needs to marry. Mama san can be. Bema bia onim oba esa owara no. He may have 1,000 women, but there is one our person is spending the rest of the life with. And then he be with him. Some of the attributes I am bema yeshe enya tuo enya nufuo enya hofe. The first thing we look out for is a lady. Not all women are ladies. Yes, a lady. A lady is somebody who thinks before she what speaks. A lady is somebody who has etiquette on how to behave in public, on when to talk and when not to talk. Oba sabi me do be come na fuomu na ye be wie no aka history nyina akere omo no when you oba ye ware so oba ne ware when you are in the midst of my friends keep quiet. Yes, and a friend lady Obia onim when to talk to the husband. Ni kunu wo suban bi wa study suban na wa hu how to manipulate around the suban. Ti ni kunu bu afu no edi no hwe na time ma bibia jonos baby. Listen to me. I mean Casamcho. Sa oba ne ware no. The second one is trust. Obi wo ho ma o tukwe na ne yam hye no. Because oba body ne yere. There are women who are flirtatious. And then they be so rough. I am a flirtatious. It means that someone in the court and member who are the actions the patches of a bema for flirting. No, you didn't flirt you. What did they do? A person member who attention should come to say, Mama. There be a become be. Me say, Oba, the way I will home and a bema to me as so pet. Oyo ba mema sese o per rough and can't tell so who affair when you nyam no abafem. It means that you are acting say you are available. And you want say I'm married but I'm available. Saoba no yangware no. And men know that. The third and final one is somebody who believes in your dream and is ready to take you to the next level. I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about brain, yansa. Me who now class 1. I believe said I didn't know we an NCP, but I believe said you bet me am an SCP. That's the belief. Me who I didn't know we you done in say I can be me tell na me done in say and then me peja. What I say? I say ma me can say o 2 4 yere. Ohwe sabe kwasi asema nkofobi ekachi otumfo no otumfo with all his might he's not responding. It means that a very intelligent woman behind him, not like the other one. But I couldn't there. I'm sometimes oba no de na chi no wonu amu abi ontimi ntufo because Osha baby Otofo want to react but and then the matter say there is a woman who has a calm or calm spirit be around her into a cassette Otumfo will say I will listen to you my sweetheart Oba some person control your bema and by talking. Let me tell you, the way to control a man is not by shouting. The way to control a man is to know when to talk at what time at the right time, to know when to talk intelligently. Obi oha say osroni respect because what time say who onyansa Emma bebre wo honoma ukan meka no ejimie meka na ukan tokwa na beba nia meka bia bintie obanya safo no oyedi no watie o wie na obi akọ no possible baby bi asem na meka wanti aseye na me si hwe ne ye ni say na hwe se ebe yi ana toma bema no ma bema ne feeling like a king girlfriends I really nkofo kunu ma wo mo ji o mo feel because the wives are not making the men feel like they're kings. Let your husband feel like a king and he will make you like a queen. Hi, Xposed GHFM, subscribe, share. We need 2 man now so I can be man.